This is an unboxing video for the Tone OB-Grandee. This is a tribute banjo that they've just come out with for the tribute to the pre-war Gibson banjos. And this particular banjo, I think, is trying to get as close to the Gibson Granada specs as possible. Anyway, I was looking for a gold-plated banjo, and I was shopping around for one, and I was really interested in the OB-300, which is a very ornate banjo, and I was about to order one, and I was looking at it on banjoteacher.com, and so I called the owner at Banjo Teacher, who is Ross, and we talked a little bit, and I saw that he had pre-orders for this banjo, and we talked a little bit about this banjo and the 300, and I decided after talking to him that I was willing to wait for this one to come in. So I've had mine on order for about a month, and it finally came in, finally got stocked and came in, and this is the unboxing of that. And I'm very pleased with Ross and how he guided me. I highly recommend that you check out banjoteacher.com. I'm not going to go into any details of the specs of this banjo. My main objective here is just to show you what the banjo looks like when it comes to you if you decide to buy one, and show you some detailed pictures of it, and then I'm going to do a little playing on it and let you hear how it sounds. This banjo comes with an upgraded bridge, upgraded tailpiece, and upgraded tuners. And as you can tell, the gold plating is done very well. The fire in this maple is absolutely beautiful. The finish is good. The sunburst finish is beautiful. The maple in the neck, I think it's very well done. I'm going to be playing the banjo just a few licks to let you hear how it sounds. I am not a professional banjo player. I'm learning and doing the best I can, but I hope it gives you an idea of how it sounds. tonight is one my dad bought for me for my birthday when I was a teenager. It's been with me since 1970 and has stayed with me everywhere I went. This is a Conrad banjo. I think it was imported from Japan. Has a lot of sentimental value to me since my dad bought it for me. I never did learn to play it as good as I wanted to, and now that I'm retired, I'm trying to get back into it. Next, I'm going to play both banjos just to give you a brief comparison.